All right, everybody, Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I showed you, or I hope you've seen already, worst mobile home metal roof ever. And I just found out today, that's a big damn lie. This is the worst one. So check out this short preview of this metal roof, and I'll be downloading a longer video of it this evening. I'm gonna give you a little 2-minute preview of the video that's getting ready to get downloaded tonight. Look at this transition. All right, I'm gonna make about a 15-minute video of this. So if this is something that might interest you, oh my God. Every 4 feet. And the metal, you can see you can see the 1x4 up there, okay? So I'm downloading this video. I'm going to show you the whole thing later. Look at that dent in that thing. That's because there's nothing to walk on for every 4 feet. And somebody's been walking on it. I've been walking on it, but I haven't dented it because I do know at least where to walk. But you got to do some damn big ass stretching to get there. So if you want to see how dumb this metal roof came out, the whole 15-minute video, and then you be watching a little bit later and you'll see how ugly this is.